Okay, I will do the first one, and then you guys can have a go after that. So simplify this. So how try and express this in the simplest way, basically. So to simplify this, what visualize this as a bubble here, and to the power 4 means get this bubble times by itself 4 times. So what that means is you've got this bubble here. You're multiplying it by itself 4 times. You see that? So that they're all multiplying each other. So it's like this. Hang on. Squared y to the power 3, 3x squared y to the power 3, and same in here, same in here. Okay. So they're all multiplying each other because that's what to the power 4 means. Get this bubble here multiplied by itself 4 times. So here, let's merge these two together first. So 3 times 3 would be, well, let's merge these two. 3 times 3 would be 9, and then the x times with the x will be x to the power 4, and then 3 to the power 3, y to the power 3 times y to the power 3. That would be y to the power of 6. Okay? And then, so because if you think about it, y times y times y, and then you've got to times y. Well, this is y to the power 3, and then you times y to the power 3. That's really y to the power 6. Okay. Well, you know all these bubbles, they're exactly the same. So 3x squared y. Well, these two will be exactly the same as this bubble here. Okay. So it would be this 9x to the power 4, y to the power 6. Okay. Because, well, if you do the same thing over here, get these two, multiply with these, get this one, multiply with this one here, you would get this bubble here. Okay. Now it's a matter of getting this bubble, multiplying with this one. So 9 times with the 9. So we are merging it now. So 9 times with the 9 would be 81, and the 4 to the power 4 times 4 to the power 4 would be 4 to the power 8. This would be y to the power of 6. See that? So yeah. So to the power 4 would equal this here. So this would be your answer. Okay. So now it's your go. Okay, this one here. So try and visualize it as this. You've got 4. You've got this bubble multiplied by itself 4 times. Okay. So merge these two together. Merge these two together. They should be the same. Well, anyway, well, do whatever you want. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, visualize it as this. 2x to the power 3y to the power 4. Because I know these two will be the same as these two. I'm not going to. Well, you can put anything in there. So now, so this times this would be 4 x to the power 6 y to the power 8 times, well, it's going to be the same, y to the power 8. Okay, so now it's just getting this, multiply it with this. So it will be 4 times 4, 16, and then x to the power 12, y to the power 16. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Okay, this one here. Here you've got this times by itself 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I would do is I would merge these two, and then it would become this, and don't forget this one here would be this one here. Well, merge these two, so you would get this times this, and then right at the end merge the two together. Well, do whatever you have to do. Press pause and work it out. Try and simplify that. So press pause and have a go. So this would be 3x to the power 5 y squared times 3x to the power 5y squared times 3x x to the power of 5y squared times 3 x to the power of 5y squared times, well, the last one, don't forget about the last one, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got, well, let's merge these two first, okay? Then we've got this one, and then we've got the last one. So yeah, let's merge these two. So this would be 9x to the power 9x to the power of 10 y to the power of 4. Okay, this bubble would be the same. So times 9x to the power of 10 y to the power of 4, and then we've got to times the last one, which was 3 5y squared. Okay, and let's merge these two together. So this would be 81 x to the power of 20 y to the power of 8 times 3 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 2. Now you've got this times this, so let's merge the two now. 81 times 3, 81 times 3, 3 times 1 is 3, this times this, 24, so it would be 243. Remember, 81 times 3 is 243, and the x to the power of 20 times x to the power of 5 would be x to the power of 25, and here you've got this times this, so that would be y to the power of 10. So this would be your final answer. Okay, so this thing here is the same as this thing here. Okay, and this last one, which I'm not going to do, but you basically you've got this fraction here, blah 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 blah, times by itself 4 times. So 1, 2, okay, I will do this one here. So here visualize it as this: 3a squared b 2x. Okay, so this is itself, and then you've got to times by itself 4 times. So it will be 3a squared b and then 2x, and then times by itself, and then times by itself again. Okay, I'm going to merge these two, and then I'm going to merge these two. Don't forget, these two will be the same as these two. So let's do this first. Remember, fraction times a fraction. So top times top, bottom times bottom. Okay, so it will be 9. Hang on, let me make it smaller. Okay, so it would be 9 a to the power of 4 b squared. Okay, and this one here, now bottom times bottom, it would be 4x squared. Okay, so these two these two bubbles merging together will give us this bubble here. Okay, now these two merging together would be the same as these two merging together. So we can say times these. Well, we're going to merge these two. It will become this: 9a to the 4b squared over this. Okay, and then you've got the last one here. Well, let's leave the last one for the time being. Let's merge these two together. Okay, so it would be well, top times top, bottom times bottom. We're not adding or taking away, we're multiplying. So 9 times 9 would be 81, and then a to the power 4 times a to the power 4 would be a to the power 8. This would be b to the power 4, and the bottom 4 times 4 would be 16, and then x to the power 4. And don't forget, we've still got this last one here, which was the original, okay, which is this original one here, which were 3a squared b over 2x. Okay, Now it's just fraction times a fraction. So top times top, bottom times bottom. So 81 times 3 again. What was it? 324. So merging these two fractions here, we're multiplying, remember. So it would be 2, 4, 3, a to the power of 10, b to the power of 5. Okay, because top times top, it will give us this. Bottom times bottom would be 32, a to the power of 5. Okay, so it's still a fraction. Okay, so when you get this to the power of 4, it becomes this. Okay, so that's done.